This is a super fast lesson on how to play Complete Mess by 5 Seconds of Summer. This is what you're going to learn in this lesson. Let's get into the lesson. So you'll see the tab on screen below, and all we're going to do here is we're copying the bass line. You can play the bass line in the verse and the pre-chorus. We will also cover the chords. So the bass line goes as follows. 5th fret on A, 4th fret on D. That's your rhythm. I'll do one more time. Next chord, which is kind of like your A minor, 5th on E, 5th on G. Then you move that ring finger back a fret to 4th on G, middle finger 3rd on E. Then you're back to that original D. If you want to get your hands on an interactive tab of how to play this song, including all the rhythms and including an interactive player, just check out the link below this video and you get access to this song and about 80 other songs, also featuring Ed Sheeran and Shawn Mendes and many others. Right, so that'll be the first thing. Be sure you pick them down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Just gives a better rhythm to it. So now, if you want to go with that, there you go. But if you are wanting the open chords then, without a capo, you're going to do the following. It's going to go... Four chords. It starts with D, ends with D. It goes D, A minor, 4-finger G, and then D. Now the rhythm, as you can see on screen, it goes... I'll do one more time. It goes down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. You do that on A minor, then on G, and back to D. Those are the main things to watch. So you'll have your four chords. If you're unsure of how to make those chords, you'll find them in the description below. I have the little diagrams done out. That's your verse and your pre-chorus done. Finally then we have the chorus. To play the chorus, all you've got to do is play D, A minor, C, and then D. So the third chord is a C instead of a G. That's all you gotta do. So it goes like this. Oh, da, 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 da. Hope you liked this lesson. If you do want to grab the interactive tab or the chord sheet of how to play this, it's listed below. Catch you in the next lesson.